Okay, here we go. 32 by 48. You can see residential post frame garage. It's a post frame, but you can see this looks obviously very residential. The carriage style doors there. We are coming back and wrapping. See that front post, that inset porch right there. We are going to wrap that. But you can see there's a 9-panel man door. And you can see this has got, and actually we poured the concrete too. Let me back up just a little bit here and then we'll do a walk around. You can see the black top, concrete, nice pour. And then the homeowner does have an existing 2-car garage. Actually, it's getting worked on right now as we speak on their home. Well, if we look at this, you can see the white trim, outside trim on that. Wainscot, white fascia soffit, good contrast. Beautiful contrast on this building. And then if we go around back, you can see the electric has been hooked up. You probably saw that. We go around back here. The door, we're coming back and hitting this overhead door as well. You can see here the white overhead, or the white outside trim. Wainscot. But yeah, buildings can be customized. This is a post frame, a pole barn, however you want to say it, garage, but it has the look of, depending on how you structure it, engineer it, design it, and gingerbread it, it can really do some things. But for more information, atticalumber.com.